Hi, my name is Ashley Sidario, and I'm an instructional designer here at Top Hat. And today, we'll be going through adjusting points on the question level, page level, and the column level in the gradebook. When retroactively adjusting the weight of a particular item in your course, your gradebook will equally reflect that adjustment. To change the weight of a question, simply edit your question. To change the weight of a pages item, click the page you wish to apply custom grading to in the content tree and adjust points below the title of the preview. If you have applied custom grading to a pages item, you will see this reflected at the total score level for the page in the gradebook. However, if you expand the column for a custom weighted pages item to show the scores of the individual questions within the gradebook, the scores on the questions will not reflect the custom weighting for the page. For more information regarding the Top Hat Gradebook, including its various functionalities and how to leverage gradebook data, visit our knowledge base.